I'm Susan. I got this book. I had something I had to order from Amazon, and I got this book so that I could meet my free shipping requirement. And I've had my eye on this book, and I really like it. It's got over 600 images. It's been coming up on my site, and I think this one was done by Poor Toast, if I'm not mistaken. Sure if it says. But I love the images, and I like the paper. It's not the shiny paper. But now these aren't, like my other cut and collage book, aren't so much for the surreal, just, you know, for the pretty collaging. And I love the backing papers too. But since I've seen this book so many times and didn't know whether to get it or not, and the last book I wasn't 100% satisfied with that I bought, I thought I would show this one, do a flip through so that you could see what's in there, to see if it's something you might like. But I'm really happy with it. I think it's beautiful. This one, I'll make a fun collage, but it's not so much the surreal type, although I'm sure you could make it that way. Just have to use my imagination. But I like how the background's not so white. But I think the images are gorgeous, and you could use them on tags as well. It's like the paper it's not shiny. I can't describe it. It's thicker than newsprint, but it kind of has that feel like that. But so I'm just going to go through, oh, isn't that beautiful? I'm just going to go through this and let you see what's in there. I love hummingbirds. It even has a little bit of Christmas. Isn't it cute? This will be fun in the glue book. Okay. I love the colors. He looks happy. Pretty bird. That face. Aww. I love that. My husband will love that. How sweet, little baby. Look at that face. Aww. I just love it. Got the panther. I love that. Aww. I love animals. Oh. Now, how regal. Oh. Oh, I love the rooster. Sweet babies. Oh. It's really a lot of fun pages. I'm very happy with this. And it's lots and lots of images, and they're nice size as well. And you've got some of the smaller ones. I like that too. I like a variety. Face. Beautiful. weird little, oh, I love the boots. The lips. How cute. Today we're supposed to have our well, that's fun. No head. You can put your own head on these. Yeah, today is supposed to be the day of the eclipse. That's exciting. My sons are excited about it as well. Pretty. Well, that's beautiful. I like that as well. Egypt would be a fascinating place to visit. Okay. I love this. I like the church. That's cool. Almost to the end. I think there's so many beautiful images. I think I missed a page. I love this. That's the only one that looked kind of blurry to me. The others are pretty clear. That one just looks pixelated. Love the boots. Okay, this is going to be fun to play with. All right. Pour toast. That's right. All right. I've seen Nicole on Relax Cut Glue flip through a bunch of his books. So I hope you enjoyed this little flip through, and I hope it gives you an idea of whether you'd like to purchase this book. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.